Shri Bhagwati, manufacture customized, oral liquid filling and capping machine. An oral liquid filling and capping machine is a specialized piece of equipment used in the pharmaceutical industry to accurately fill bottles with liquid medications, such as syrups, suspensions, and oral solutions, and then seal them with caps to maintain product integrity. Here's how such a machine typically functions. Bottle feeding. Empty bottles are fed into the machine either manually or automatically using a conveyor system. The bottles are positioned in the filling and capping stations. Liquid filling. The machine accurately dispenses the liquid medication into each bottle. This can be achieved through various methods, including piston filling, peristaltic pumps, or gravity filling, depending on the viscosity and characteristics of the liquid. Capping. Once the bottles are filled, they move to the capping station where caps are placed and secured onto the bottles. This can be done using screw-on caps, snap-on caps, or other capping mechanisms depending on the type of closure used. Cap inspection. Advanced machines may feature cap inspection systems to ensure that each bottle is properly sealed. This helps prevent leaks and ensures product quality. Overall, oral liquid filling and capping machines play a crucial role in the pharmaceutical industry by automating the process of filling and sealing liquid medications, ensuring accuracy, efficiency, and product quality. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email address.